Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 2 polynomials and factorization, exercise 2.2, question number 1. The question is given: find the value of the polynomial 4x square minus 5x plus 3 when x is equals to 1 by 2. What Nana? X is equals to 1 by 2. Now see its solution. The given polynomial that is p of x is equals to 4x square minus 5x plus 3. Okay, 4x square minus 5x plus 3. This is a given polynomial. Now replace x by x by 1 by 2. And in the place of x we should substitute 1 by 2. Then what happens? See, the value of polynomial becomes, so p of 1 by 2 is equals to 4 of x square, means that is 1 by 2 whole square, minus 5 of x, means that is 1 by 2 plus 3. Okay, now 4 of 1 whole square, 1 by 2 whole square means separate ga chudandi. 1 square means that is 1 only. 2 square means that is 4, minus 5 by 2, minus 5 into 1, minus 5 by 2 plus 3. So clear ga 4 cancel, 4 ones are 4 ones are. So we get that is p of 1 by 2, that is equals to 1 ones are 1 plus 1 minus 5 by 2 plus 3. So clearly you take it as 1, here also you take it as 1. What is the LCM, Nana? We get the LCM is 2 only, because of denominators 1, 2, 1. Okay, so the denominator 2, so the LCM is 2 here. What is the denominator? That is 1. 1 how many times in that? 1 2s are 2 times. That's why with 2 you multiply this one. 1 into 2, that is 2 only, minus the denominator is 2, the LCM is 2. Okay, now this denominator 2 how many times in this LCM? 1 time. That's why 1 into minus 5 we get that is minus 5 only, plus the denominator 1 how many times in this LCM? 2 times. That's why you multiply 3 with 2. 2 3s are 6. Okay, so we get that is 2 plus 6, that is 8 minus 5 by 2. So p of 1 by 2, that is equals to 8 minus 5 means 3, that is 3 by 2. So if we substitute in the place of x 1 by 2, the value of a polynomial is becomes what, Nana? That is 3 by 2. Is it clear, students? ఇక్కడ LCM క్లియర్గా వచ్చేసి ఈ డినామినేటర్స్కి LCM 2, ఇక్కడ ఉన్న డినామినేటర్ 1 ఈ LCMలో 2 టైమ్స్ మల్టిపుల్ అవుతుంది. సో దట్స్ వై 1 into 2 చేస్తే 2 వస్తుంది. The denominator 2 in this LCM 1 time. That's why 5 1 time means 1 into 5 means that is 5. ఓకేనా, ఇక్కడ 1 అనేది ఈ LCMలో 2 times పోతుంది. దట్స్ వై 2 3s are 6. ఓకే, so like that we get that is 6 plus 2 8, 8 minus 5 3 by 2. Okay, so that in the same manner do the remaining questions in this way. Now the second question is given: find p of 0 comma p of 1 comma p of 2 for each of the following polynomials. For each of the following polynomials. Okay, so this is the question. In that I'm taking second question. The question number 2 is second question. The given polynomial p of y is equals to 2 plus y square minus y cube. That is 2 plus y square minus y cube. Okay, so this is a given polynomial. P of y is equals to 2 plus y square minus y cube. Now what I am doing here, clearly the question is given, find P of 0, P of 1, P of 2 for each of the following polynomials. So in the place of y, y plus లో just substitute 0 అంటే replace y with 0 తో చేద్దాం. Okay, now P of 0 in the place y లో 0 substitute చేస్తాం. That is 2 plus y means that is 0 plus y means that is 0, y square అంటే that is 0 square minus y cube means that is 0 cube. So clearly 2 means that is 2 only, 0 plus 0 square అంటే that is 0 only, minus 0 cube అంటే that is 0. So if we substitute in the place of y 0, we get the value of a polynomial is becomes what? The P of 0, that is we get 2. Okay, now I just want to substitute 1 already given here. Replace y with 1. So that is 2 plus y means that is 1 plus y square means that is 1 whole square minus y cube means that is 1 whole cube. So that is 2 plus 1 that is 3 plus 1 whole square means that is 1 only minus 1 whole cube means that is 1 only. Okay now, so clearly minus 1 plus 1 cancel, we get P of 1 that is equals to what? We get that is 3. In the same manner, I just want to substitute, replace y with 2. So that is P of 2 is equals to 2 means 2 only, y means that is 2 plus y square means that is 2 whole square minus y cube means that is 2 cube. So that is 2 plus 2 whole square means that is 2 2s are 2. How many times? 2 raised to the power 2 అంటే 2 times 2 2s are 4 minus 2 cube means 2 raised to the power 3 అంటే 2 ని 3 times multiply చేయాలి. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 2 cube means that is 8. So clearగా 2 plus 2 అంటే that is 4, 4 plus 4 means that is 8. 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 4 8 అంటే 2 plus 4 means that is 8, ఇక్కడ minus 8. So we get P of 2 is equals to 0. అంటే if we replace in the place of y, the value is 2, the value of your polynomial becomes what? 0. So we can call 2 is the 0 of the polynomial. Okay, so in the same manner you try the remaining problems in this manner. Okay ma? Now see the third one. The question is given, verify whether the values of x given, question number 3, verify okay students, the question number 3, verify whether the values of x given in each case are the zeros of the polynomial or not. What is the question, Nana? Verify whether the values of x given in each case are the zeros of the polynomial or not. So zeros of a polynomial means what, Nana? If we replace in a polynomial and in the place of x, and if we replace in a polynomial variable place లో ఒక పర్టికులర్ రియల్ నెంబర్ని రీప్లేస్ చేస్తే the value of a polynomial is becomes 0, then we call that is the zero of a polynomial. That is already we know that. Yes, let us see this problem. The given polynomial is p of x is equals to x minus 1 of x plus 2. This is a polynomial they are given. X is equals to minus 1 comma minus 2. So what I am doing here, first of all I am multiplying complete this expression with x. I am going to multiply complete this bracket part. We get that is x into x, x square plus x into 2, that is 2x. Okay, next with 1 I am multiplying complete this one. 1 in minus 1 into x, that is minus x, minus 1 into x, that is minus 1x. Okay, na? That is simply minus x. Minus 1 into plus 2, that is minus 2. So we get a p of x is equals to, that is x square plus 2x minus x, that is plus x minus 2. Okay, na? X square plus 2x minus x, that is plus x minus 2. Now in the place of x I am going to replace minus 1, p of minus 1. Okay, na? X plus lo minus 1 substitute chedam, that is minus 1 square plus x means that is minus 1 minus 2. Okay, so we get minus 1 square means that is 1, because of minus 1 is a negative number but the power is even, power 2 is even. Okay, so minus 1 square means that is plus 1 plus of in a bracket unte of plus of minus, that is minus 1 minus 2. Clearly plus 1 no minus 1 cancel. P of minus 1, that is equals to, we get what, that is minus 2. So we can say that therefore minus 1 is not a zero of a polynomial, that is p of x. Okay, na? Because of the value is we get that is minus 2. When a when the value of a polynomial is becomes 0, then only we can say that that is 0 of a polynomial. Here we get minus 2 now, that's why minus 1 is not a 0 of a polynomial p of x. Okay, now in the place of x now you replace minus 2. So in the place of x I am going to replace minus 2. So ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి minus 2 whole square, x plus the minus 2 whole square plus in the place of x I am writing minus 2. Here minus 2 already is there. Okay, x means minus 2, x square means minus 2 whole square plus x means that is minus 2, already minus 2 is there. Minus 2 whole square means we get that is what of 4, because of minus 2 is a negative number but the power is even, that's why. Plus of minus 2, that is minus 2, already minus 2 is there. 4 minus 2 minus 2 both are having like signs, same signs only. Minus 2 minus 2, that is what, by adding means we get minus 4. Clearly minus 4 plus 4 what, 0. So p of minus 2. So if you replace in the place of x, the value is minus 2, the value of a polynomial becomes 0. So therefore we can say that minus 2 is a 0 of a polynomial p of x. Is it clear, students? So in the same manner you to practice the remaining problems in this manner. Okay na? సో ఇక్కడ ఇలా కూడా చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు, యూ కెన్ డూ డైరెక్ట్లీ. ఓకేనా? వాట్ ద గివెన్ they given like this. In the place of x, you substitute minus 1. Then here minus 1, x plus lo minus 1 substitute minus 1. Here x plus lo minus 1. Okay, na? Then we get minus 1 minus 2. Here minus 1 plus 2 means that is 1. So minus 2 into 1 minus 2. It is not a 0 of a polynomial. Okay, na? Like that you can compare. And in the place of x, you substitute minus 2. Next value minus 2. That is minus 2 minus 1 of minus 2 plus 2. Minus 2 minus 1, that is minus 3. Minus 2 plus 2, that is 0. Now minus 3 into 0, 0. The value of a polynomial becomes 0. Then we can say that minus 2 is a 0 of a polynomial. So we can do simply like this also. Okay, students. So you just try the remaining problems in the same manner. Okay. Whether the 0 or not, you have to find it. Okay. So, okay, students. Thank you.